Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to enable the XMP profile on your RAM and get the full speed you're supposed to have. First, open Task Manager, head over to the Performance tab, and under Memory, you'll see your current RAM speed. Alright, now let's enable XMP. Go ahead and restart your computer. As it boots up, press the key to enter BIOS. In our case, it's Del key. Once you're inside, you'll see the basic BIOS dashboard in easy mode. Look for the button that says XMP Disabled and simply click it. That's it. XMP is now enabled. Now, click on Save and Exit. The system will ask you to confirm the changes. Click Yes and let your PC restart. When you're back in Windows, open Task Manager again. Under the Performance tab and in the Memory section, you should now see the maximum RAM speed as advertised. Warning! If your system starts acting weird, like crashing or showing blue screens, that means there are some compatibility issues with your RAM. Just go back into BIOS and disable XMP the same way you enabled it. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.